Welcome to the Viradys Disinfection Unit. Our disinfection unit provides a revolutionary way to help you dispose of your medical waste with reliability and efficiency. How does it work? First, a staff member rolls their medical waste into our disinfection unit, firmly locking the medical waste into our elevator room for the tote to be lifted and dumped into the shredder. Then the staff member pushes an easy-to-operate start button in which the door will automatically lock and not be allowed to unlock unless our disinfection unit is stopped. Once through the shredding process, the regulated medical waste will be dropped into an internal conveyor and heated to a minimum of 6 log 10 disinfection rate. After the disinfection cycle has completed, the regulated medical waste will be disposed of in a third-party waste container and can be delivered to a local landfill as regulated municipal waste. The total time from tote being loaded to the end of the disinfection cycle is approximately 15 minutes. The Viradys Disinfection Unit can shred and disinfect up to 6,000 pounds per day and help reduce volume by over 70%. The Viradys Disinfection Unit is a custom-engineered, zero-emissions unit that produces dry, aerated, shredded material that is perfect for your facility. For more information, contact us at viradys.com.